book, chapter number 5. We had done about the different types of plants yesterday. That is herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, trees. These were the 5 types of plants. Now coming to page number 24. Coming to page number 24, you can see there's a revision exercise given over there on page number 24. Let us just quickly solve and then we'll continue with the foods from we get from plants. Exercise A says circle the odd one out. You can see there are 3 options given and one of them is an odd one. So you have to circle that. We'll start with Sanjeevni. Sanjeevni, please read the 3 options in exercise A.
Rice, mint, lemon.
So which is the odd one out here?
Ma'am, lemon.
Lemon. Because rice and mint are herbs. But lemon is a tree. We have a lemon tree. So it is the odd one out. Good. The next one. Saransh.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Tomato,
read.
rose, mehdi.
It is not tomato, it is tomato, rose and mehendi. So which is the odd one out among the 3?
Ma'am, tomato.
Tomato is the odd one out because tomato is a herb, while rose and mehendi are shrubs. So tomato is the odd one out. Good. Uh, Coming to Yash.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the third one.
Banyan, coconut, papaya.
कोकोनट क्या लिखा है? Banyan. उसके बाद read it carefully.
Cotton.
Or after that,
Papaya.
papaya or people? What it is written?
People.
So banyan, cotton, and people. So which is the odd one out?
Ma'am, people.
See, no. Banyan is a tree. We have banyan tree. We had read yesterday. Then cotton. Cotton is a shrub. Cotton is a shrub. We have cotton plants. And then people. People is a tree or shrub. People का tree होता है कि shrub होता है? क्या होता है?
Ma'am, tree.
So which is the odd one out? There are 2 trees and 1 shrub. So which is the odd one out?
Ma'am, cotton.
Cotton. Now you understood. Banyan is also a tree.
Yes, ma'am.
People is also a tree. Only cotton is a shrub. So it is the odd one out. Okay. Now coming to the exercise B part 1. Tick the correct answers. There are 4 options. Sorry, there are 3 options. You have to tick the correct option. Okay. Let's start with Vanchita. Vanchita, please read.
Ma'am, a dash has a soft, thin, and green stem. Herb,
Okay.
shrub.
So what is having a soft, thin, and green stem?
Ma'am, herb.
Herb. A herb has a soft, thin, and a green stem. Good. Coming to the second one, Mohak.
Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes, ma'am. What have you have to do? Please read the next one.
Which of the following does not need the support of sticks, wall, or other plants to climb up? Money plant, pea plant, banyan.
So what is the answer?
Ma'am, banyan.
Banyan. There are certain plants that need we have read yesterday, that need the support of sticks or walls to climb. Money plant also needs supports. Pea plant also needs supports. Only banyan does not need support because banyan itself is a tree. Now coming to question number 3. Okay, Suryansh,
Yes, ma'am.
read the third one.
Which of the following is not an example of creeper? Bottle gourd, grapevine, watermelon.
So which is not?
Ma'am, grapevine.
Grapevine. Grapevine is a climber, while bottle gourd and watermelon are creepers. Okay. Now exercise C says you have to look at the picture and identify the plant. Okay. Saransh, the first one. Which plant it is? Saransh. Okay. Rajveer, can you please tell the first picture? Look at the first picture and tell.
Ma'am, mint plant.
Mint. The first picture is of a mint plant. Very good. Now coming to the second picture. Adiba, please unmute yourself and all of you switch on the videos. Adiba,
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हैं?
Ma'am, ma'am, food.
हम लोग सब्जेक्ट कौन सा पढ़ रहे हैं? साइंस या एसएसटी? कौन सी बुक है ये?
Ma'am, science.
साइंस. पेज नंबर 24 खोलिए.
मैम खुला है.
खुला है. एक्सरसाइज सी दिख रही है. लुक एट द पिक्चर्स एंड नेम द प्लांट्स.
यस मैम.
उसमें सेकंड पिक्चर दिख रही है.
यस मैम.
देयर इज व्हाइट व्हाइट. ऊपर कुछ दिख रहा है उस पिक्चर में. प्लांट है. प्लांट के ऊपर कुछ व्हाइट व्हाइट से दिख रहा है. कैन यू सी दैट? यस. सो विच प्लांट इट इज? ये व्हाइट व्हाइट क्या है?
मैम कॉटन.
Very good. It is a cotton plant. Good. Good. All of you right. It is a cotton plant.
Cotton.
Coming to Ansh. Ansh,
Yes ma'am. See,
look at the third picture.
ma'am, what is money plant?
Third is money plant. Good. And Ane, last picture.
Ma'am, pumpkin.
Pumpkin. It is a pumpkin plant. Good. Now we are going to start. Now all of you will look at the camera and listen to me. Now we are going to start with food we get from plants. I told you all yesterday also that we human beings cannot produce our own food. हम अपना खाना खुद नहीं बना सकते. We are dependent on animals or plants for our food. Animals give us milk and milk products, and if we are non-vegetarian, then we can eat those animals. But plants give us lot of foods. Like a plant, almost all the parts are eatable. Roots, we can eat roots of the plant. We can eat in some plants we eat stems, some we eat fruits, and some parts of the plant are vegetables. We eat vegetables, we eat stems, we eat leaves, even we eat seeds of the plant. So in now we are going to see what all parts of the plants we eat and their examples. Look at page number 24. The parts of plants that we eat are called edible parts. In a plant, if we are eating the plant, part of a plant, that is known as edible. Edible matlab khane wala. Like in a plant, if it is a tomato plant, for example, we will eat tomatoes. So tomato is the edible part. We will not eat leaves of the tomato. It is non-edible. वो नहीं खा सकते. In a plant there are certain parts that we can eat and there are certain parts in a plant that we cannot eat. हर plant का हर part we cannot eat. If it is a plant, we cannot simply start eating it. There are certain parts of a plant that we can eat, while there are certain parts that we cannot eat. So the parts of the plant that we can eat are known as edible, while those parts of the plant that we cannot eat are known as non-edible. Like if we talk about an apple tree, For instance, if we are talking about an apple tree, so we can eat apple. It is a fruit of a plant, but we cannot eat leaves. We cannot eat stem because it is non-edible. वो नहीं खा सकते. Apple is the edible part, while other parts are non-edible. And in different plants, we eat different parts. Like in some plants, we eat roots. Some plants we eat stems. Some plants we eat fruits. Some plants we eat vegetables. Some plants we eat leaves, and some plants we eat seeds also. So coming to roots, we eat roots like turnip, carrot, radish, and beetroot. We all eat carrots. We all eat radish. We all eat beetroot. Beetroots in Hindi are known as chakundar. We all eat turnips. They are known as shaljam. So these all are roots. The roots of the plant are below the ground, जमीन के नीचे. Roots of a plant. We all know. We all have seen a plant. प्लांट का रूट कहाँ होता है? मिट्टी के अंदर होता है, जमीन के नीचे होता है. Every plant, the root is inside the ground, and when we eat these roots, these are known as edible roots. कुछ plants की हम roots भी खा लेते हैं, like carrot. Carrot also grows beneath the ground. Ground के नीचे उगता है. So we eat carrots, we eat radish, we eat beetroot, we eat turnips. These all are roots of the plant. But we eat them because they are edible. They are very good for us. Like stems, potato, onion, ginger. These all are underground stems. These all are the stems of the plants, and we eat these stems also. Lotus stem. There is most of you, many of you must have eaten that lotus stem also. Onion, potatoes. These all are stems of the plant, but we eat them so because they are edible. Coming to leaves, you all eat palak paneer. You all eat that spinach, mint, cabbage, patta gobi. You all eat these things. These are the leaves of the plant. These are the leaves of the plant. We eat spinach. We have lot of different types of sags, and these all are leaves. We eat in certain plants. We eat leaves of that plant. So because they are edible, we can eat them. Coming to the flowers, in some plants we eat flowers like cauliflower, banana, broccoli. Broccoli is also a kind of a cauliflower, only it is green in color. Many of you must have eaten it. It is very good source of nutrition. It is very good for your body. So there are certain parts of the certain flowers also that we eat because they are edible. They are very good for us. Fruits, like in many plants we eat fruits: apple, banana, mango, pear, pineapple, guava. These all are examples of these fruits. We eat fruits of these plants. And coming to seeds, there are certain seeds also of plants that we eat. The seeds of wheat, rice, maize, millet. We eat these grains. Wheat is used for making chapatis. Wheat is the seed of the plant, and we use that wheat. We grind that wheat and we make atta. We eat chapatis at our home, no? It is made of wheat. Rice is also boiled and eaten. It is used for making idlis and dosas. The seed of peas, soyabean, masoor, moong, and gram are pulses. Pulses are rich in protein. We eat dals. These all are seeds of the plant. हम लोग दाल खाते हैं, मूंग दाल, मसूर दाल, pea, matar ki dal. These all are the seeds of the plant, and we eat them because they are very good for us. They are rich source of proteins for us. So in certain plants we eat seeds like wheat, rice, maize, cereals, millet. These all are the seeds of the plant, but we eat them. You can see, look at the picture also, it is given on page number 25. Rice and moong, these are the seeds of the plant, but we eat them. You eat rajma, you eat chole, these all are the seeds of the plant. You eat them. Is it clear? Like every plant, in plants, there are certain plants that we can eat, but we cannot eat the entire plant. We cannot take the plant and start eating it. There are only some parts of the plants that we can eat. root, stems, leaves, fruits, seeds. Certain parts of the plants are edible. Edible means those parts that we can eat. Till here it is clear to everyone. Anybody who wants to ask anything, please ask.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Some other parts, some other plant products. There are also certain other parts of the plants that we eat, like spices. Dry, dried fruit, seeds, and roots of some plants are used as spices. There are certain spices also that we get from plants, like chilies, green chilies you have, black pepper, kali mirch, you have cloves, long, we call it in Hindi, long. These all are the parts of the plants that are used as spices that flavor to our food. If we add chilies to our food, it makes our food spicy. The fruit of cardamom and chili plants and the dried flower buds of the clove plant are used as spices. The seeds of the mustard and cumin plants are also used as spices. Turmeric, cumin means ginger. These are the parts of the plants that we eat that add flavor to our food. Chilies, then you have cloves, you have cinnamon, you have cardamom. Cardamom means lychee. You have cumin seeds, zira, turmeric, haldi. These all are the spices that we use in our plants. Sugar, then very important part of our food. We get sugar from sugar cane. In Hindi we call it ganna. So we also get sugar from sugar cane. Coming to oil, certain parts of there are certain plants that are used to make oil also. The oil that we use to cook our food. Like we get oil from the seeds of plant like groundnut, mustard oil. You all have used sarson ka tel at home. Mama must be using sarson tel to cook your food. We get that from the mustard flour. These oils are called edible oil. These are used in cooking. Coconut oil. You all must have seen coconut. It also has oil in it. Some people use coconut oil for cooking their food. We put it on our head also. We put it on our hairs also. Groundnut oil, मूंगफली का तेल, सरसों का तेल, mustard oil. These all are the oils that we get from the plants, and these are the edible oils. Edible again means जिसको हम खा सकते हैं. We cannot eat every oil. There are a lot of other oils that are available, but we cannot eat them. There are certain oils that are edible. Then beverages. Beverages means drinks. We take tea, we take coffee. Where do these tea come from? Tea come from tea leaves. There are tea plants. And in those tea plants, tea leaves are taken out. They are dried to make tea leaves. And this coffee, coffee is made from coffee seed. This coffee seed, it is dry roasted. It is a long process. It is dry roasted, then powdered, and then you get those coffees at your home that we drink. So this tea and coffee again we get it from plants. Then there are certain plants that are used for making medicines. Just a second. Parts of some plants are used for medicine. These plants are called medicinal plants like mulethi, tulsi. When you have clove, long is also used. At times you must be having cold and cough, so mama tells you to take long. Put long in your mouth. It will help you because it is medicinal. It is used as a medicine. You have tulsi also. These tulsi, most of you must be having a tulsi plant at home. These days you should eat tulsi, you should drink karas, because there are certain, because these leaves and all are used, they have medicinal properties in it. It is used to cure certain diseases. Neem, again, neem oil and neem leaves are used to cure your fever. Then you have haldi, turmeric. It is also very good for treating wounds. If you have pain in your body, you can have haldi doodh, turmeric doodh. Sometimes mama must be giving you when you have pain, when you have fever. So mama gives you turmeric haldi wala doodh so that your body gets cured. So there are certain plants that have medicinal properties. Medicinal means that are used for as a medicine, and certain parts of the plants are also used for making medicine. And some like tulsi leaves we eat. It is used to cure a body. Haldi, neem. Muleti. These all are medicinal plants. Please mute yourself, Abul. Now, since now by the end of the chapter, we have understood that plants are very, very important for us because we human beings cannot prepare our own food. We need plants, we need animals for our food to get our raw material to get our food. So we have understood the importance of plants from the aspect of food. We have understood how important these plants are for us. There are different parts of the plants that we eat. We eat roots, we eat stems, then we eat leaves, fruits, even we eat seeds of the plants. They are used for our drinks also, like tea and coffee. Then we even the oil that we use, we get it from plants, and also these plants have medicinal properties. So now we have understood that these plants are very important for us, and if these plants are not there, these trees, these plants are not there, we cannot survive because we will not get our food only. जब खाना ही नहीं मिलेगा, so how we are going to live? We need plants for a lot of other reasons, but the basic reasons is we need it for our food. So, so we need it for our survival. Now, since we know the importance of food, we know the importance of plants, so we should remember we should not avoid, we should not waste it. We should plant more and more trees, more and more plants, and moreover, whatever food we are getting, it is highly important to us. We have understood its importance, and so we should not avoid it. And how can we, oh, sorry, we should not waste it. And how can we avoid its wastage? There are few steps for that. Like we should buy only food items that we need. We should not buy unnecessary food items. At times it happens we go out for shopping, we go out for buying groceries, household stuff, and we say, चलो ये भी ले लेते हैं, ये भी ले लेते हैं, ये भी ले लेते हैं, and later we realize that it is of no importance to us. We have only bought it because we went to the market, we liked it, and we have purchased it. But it is actually of no use, no importance to us. It happens with every one of us. हम सबके साथ होता है. So we should start avoiding that. We should buy only those food items, those products that are actually useful for us. And when we have bought the product, we have bought the. So you must have seen when Mama goes to the market, she gets fruits and vegetables. So she washes it and keeps it at a proper place. She might be keeping it in the fridge. She might be keeping it at a cool place so that it doesn't get destroyed. Whatever food we are bringing home, we should keep it safely. We should not get it destroyed. Even the food that is cooked. At times it happens that the food that is cooked, it thoda food, the food is left behind. We should not waste it. We should keep it at a correct temperature so that we can eat it later on. वो खराब ना हो जाए. And we should also cook only that amount of food that is required by us. And whatever food we are taking in our plate, we should make sure that we finish it off. It should not happen कि खाना लिया और छोड़ दिया, waste कर दिया. It should not happen. Because we are getting this food with lot of hard effort, with lot of pain, so we should make sure that we should not waste our food. Whatever food we take, we should eat it, we should cook it at the right temperature, we should keep it properly, and we should not waste it. Now I think most of you have understood by now the importance of plants to us. What all plants, what are parts of the plants that we can eat, how it is useful to us, and without plants we cannot survive. Now, coming to page number 27, it says there's an exercise for revision. Exercise A says match the following, and then there's exercise B and then exercise C. Let us do it one by one. Okay, we will start with Avantika today. Okay, Avantika. There are parts of the plants and the example is given in column B. In column A, there are parts of the plants, and in the column B, there are certain examples given. You have to match it. Now, roots. Look at the examples and see where are the roots.
Roots.
What are the examples of roots that are given here? Broccoli is there, pineapple, wheat, potato, carrot, spinach. Out of these, what is the example of root? Where is the root that we eat? You can take help from the book also because you have not learned, you have not done the revision. You can look into the book, you can turn the pages, you can flip the pages and see the answer. But tell me, what is the edible root here? कैरेट है, स्पिनच है, बीट है, पाइनएप्पल है, ब्रोकली है. What is the root here?
Ma'am, ma'am, carrot and beetroot.
Very good. Carrot
Ma'am,
and
Anaya
beetroot.
said. Ma'am, Anaya said.
Suryansh, why are you interfering? Even I know Ane has said. I can see that, beta. Avantika,
Yes, ma'am.
why are you not answering? Didn't you attend the class? If you have any problem, then why are you not asking? Okay, if Ane has given the answer for roots, it is carrot and beetroot. You tell the stems, and now nobody else will answer. Only Avantika will answer. Avantika, give it a try at least. Stems. There are certain examples given. You have to find out where is the stem. If you cannot find out, turn the pages and see the answer and tell me. But you have to tell, beta. Stems. What is the stem here? See, broccoli and cauliflower. They are the flowers. Pineapple and mango. They are the fruits. Wheat and gram. They are the seeds. So, what are the examples left? Quickly turn the pages, see and tell me.
Potato and gravy. Ma'am, potato and gravy.
Potato and ginger it is. Potato and ginger. Potato and ginger are the edible stems of the plant. These are the stems of the plants that we eat. So for the stem, it is number D. See, for roots, it is number E. You can match all of you. And for stems, it is number D, potato and ginger. Good effort. Now coming to the third one, leaves. Okay, Shreyansh,
Yes, ma'am. Please repeat.
please. I am repeating, but where are you? Why are you not doing the exercises? If you must be doing the exercises, you must be knowing that it is number three leaves that you have to answer now.
Ma'am, spinach and cabbage.
Spinach and cabbage. Spinach is known as palak, and cabbage is your band gobi. These all are the leaves of the plant. So for leaves, it is number F. Good. Now coming to the fourth one, flowers. Okay, Yash. What are the edible flowers here? Yash.
Yes, ma'am. Telling.
Huh. Flowers.
Ma'am, ma'am, A part.
You can read a part, no? Read करके बताओ. Read and tell. It's broccoli.
Broccoli and cornflower.
Cornflower or cauliflower? What is the hurry?
Cauliflower.
Can't you read L over there? It is cauliflower. Broccoli and cauliflower. These are the edible flowers. Now, coming to fruits, swastik. हाँ,
Pineapple and mango.
pineapple and mango. These are the fruits of the plants. And the last one, seeds. Okay, everybody knows the answer now. For seeds, it is wheat and gram. These are the seeds of the plants that we eat. Okay. Coming to the fill in the blanks, exercise B. The fruits of dash and dash are used as spices. The fruits of dash and chili. Sorry, I read dash. The fruits of dash and chili are used as spices. So what is the other spice here? Okay, Rajveer,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell the answer.
I'm cumin.
Cumin. The fruit of cumin and chili are used as spices. Cumin is also known as zira in Hindi. Okay. Coming to Abul, the second one.
Ma'am.
Abul, read the second one.
The the
The
dried
dried.
flower, the dried flower bud of a dash plant is used as a spice.
Spice. So what is the answer? Clove or mustard? Clove is your long and mustard is your sarso.
Ma'am, clove.
Clove. Mama, we use cloves as a spice to add flavor to our food. So clove. The answer is clove. Clove means long. The third one. Mohak. Mohak.
Yes, ma'am.
The third one.
The dried flower bud of a
We
plant
are
is
doing the third one, Mohak. Good morning. We are doing the third one. Where are you sleeping? Why don't you pay attention in the class? We have already done this second one.
fruits grow from the flowers of
Oh
plants.
my God, the third fill in the blanks. Where are you sleeping, Mohak? The third one means you will go to the third exercise or what? Are you sleeping? You are not going with the class?
Oil and
Dash and dash oil are edible oils. There are three options given. You have to select any two options that we can eat as oils, edible oils. Turmeric, groundnut, mustard.
ma'am
There are
mustard,
two options. One is mustard and the second one is
ma'am groundnut.
groundnut. Groundnut oil. Groundnut means what is a groundnut? Can anybody tell me? I tell you all. I told you all just now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Groundnut
ma'am.
is what is groundnut? Tell.
Ma'am, groundnut is the oil that we
What is
use.
groundnut? Groundnut in हिंदी groundnut को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? What is groundnut?
Ma'am, मूंगफली.
मूंगफली. Very good. Groundnut oil मूंगफली का तेल and mustard oil सरसों का तेल. Groundnut oil and mustard oil are edible oils. Okay, the fourth one. Sanjeevni.
Yes, ma'am.
The fourth one. Fill in the blank.
The dried roots of dash are used to cure cough and
It is cough. It is not cough. It is cough.
cough and cold.
Hmm. So the dried roots of what is used?
Ma- ma'am, multi.
Mulethi. It is mulethi. Okay, the dried roots of mulethi are used to cure cough and cold. Mulethi is a plant, and the dried roots of these plants are used to cure your cold and cough. When you have cold and cough, some people at home, your mamas will be must be giving you kadhas, and even if you drink that, if even if you take that cough syrups, in those cough syrups you have these dried roots of mulethi. It is used to cure your cold and cough. Okay, you even in those cough syrups you have those this mulethi. Now coming to the C question, it says true and false. You have to write T for true and F for false. Uh, Saransh, the first one.
Fruits grow from the flowers of plants.
True or false?
And true.
True. Very good. Coming to the C one, Adiba. You try Adiba, the second one. Adiba, please read the second
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Page number 27, exercise C. Please read the second one.
Medicine.
Adiba, first switch on your camera. Page number 27 is open.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise C, you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Point number 2, read karo.
We
We get
we get
sugar
sugar sugar
from
from sunflower.
sunflower. हमें चीनी, we use sugar, no, we you use चीनी at home. वो हमें sunflower से मिलती है क्या? True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True, तुम्हें sunflower से मिलती है. sunflower से तो sunflower oil मिलता है. चीनी किससे मिलती है हमें? sunflower से मिलती है.
No, ma'am.
तो आंसर क्या होगा?
Ma'am,
ट्रू या फॉल्स? फॉल्स. वी गेट शुगर फ्रॉम शुगर केन. चीनी हमें गन्ने से मिलती है. गन्ने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? शुगर केन. आपको पता है गन्ना क्या होता है?
yes, ma'am.
In English we call it sugar cane. So we get sugar from sugar cane, not from sunflower. So this is false. Okay. Coming to Ansh, the third one.
समझा रही थी गन्ना ये देखो शुगर है.
Please read the third one.
Coffee is prepared from the leaf of the coffee plant.
It is not leaves, it is leaves. Please read it carefully. Don't run. Coffee is prepared from the leaves of the coffee plant. True or false?
And true.
True. It is prepared from the leaves of the coffee plant or from the seeds of the coffee plant. Coffee is prepared from the seeds of the coffee plant. You have coffee beans, seeds. It is not prepared from the leaves. It is prepared from the seeds. Only seeds are edible. Leaves are not edible. So this is false. Okay, Suryansh, the fourth one.
Tulsi, neem, amla, and
Eucalyptus.
eucalyptus are medicinal plants.
True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True. Tulsi, neem, amla, these all are medicinal plants. And the last one is we should not waste food. True or false? All of you can tell.
मैम ट्रू.
This is true. We should not waste our food. Now, all of you please look at the camera and listen. Now, all of you please look at the camera and listen. Your homework in this is you have to just revise the chapter, because on Monday or maybe in the next class, I will take an oral revision of this chapter. So you have to do nothing, you have to just revise, and then I will tell you after that what you have to do. Okay? After that, you have to stick some pages in your notebook, that I will tell you later. But for now, your homework is you will just revise the chapter, and I'll take the oral revision in the next class that will come up. Clear? Now we will meet tomorrow for the computer class. Till then, you can complete your English work and you have to revise this chapter. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Bye
Okay,
bye. Bye,
ma'am.
all of you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.